Hey, what's cracking, credit repair pros? Have you ever felt like your competitors are just always one step ahead of you? It's time to turn the tables, and with lesson 22 of our course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair, business owners will be focusing on analyzing and outperforming the competition using AI. In this course lesson, you're going to unlock secrets of your competitors, recognizing their strengths and weaknesses. You'll use ChatGPT to uncover hidden strategies, analyze the market, and craft really compelling marketing messages. This is Module 5, and in it, it's all about marketing. You'll be an innovator in credit repair, positioning yourself as a trendsetter, using AI to pinpoint opportunities. Don't just follow the pack, you need to lead the race. With Lesson 22, you're going to transform your understanding of the competition and become a force to be reckoned with. Are you ready to redefine your success in this industry? Go ahead and enroll now and let AI empower you. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like, go ahead and comment, ask questions, and if you're ready to get started, click the link down below to enroll and seize control of your destiny. This course is gonna blow you away. I will see you on the inside.